In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small power bank. This is a massive power bank. Actually, this is a 25,000 milliamp power bank. It's 3.7 volts. And you can see right there, it's the 4680 battery pack. And I will get into that, what that battery pack means, because that is actually something very interesting. 1,000 milliamps. You know what? Let's just take it out. Let me show you what it looks like. I've already had this thing out and went over it and used it and seen how well it works. And I have been very impressed with it inside. Number one, very nicely packaged. This came very nicely packaged. It came with a couple little user manuals there. And overall, the user manuals, you know what? I don't really need them. It's a power bank, so we don't need to really know what that does. And looking at this, a very nice C-to-C cable here. I will use this here in a minute. It has this is a braided cable. This is one of the most premium kind of portable power banks I have ever used, actually. And I think that's it. So we'll go ahead and put everything aside over here. And let me show you how this thing works. So looking over it, it has this aluminum or aluminium shell. Feels extremely premium, everybody. It's small and compact size. You see it, the size of my hand right there. It's just my whole hand. That's probably, what, 5-6 inches like deep right there, and it's like big around, but it's dense. It's got a very dense feel to it. It has the 4680 batteries in them, which, what is that? That's the Tesla Cybertruck batteries. So it's using the same battery like pack that the Tesla Cybertruck uses. That's pretty cool. And the outputs on this thing is it's got 4 outputs counting the 2 wires. So what it does, it has a built-in lightning cable. You see that? That is a lightning cable for iPhones or anything like that, MacBook Pros. And then also a USB-C cable. So there's the cables on it. These are included cables. How cool is that? And actually, I'll put those to the test. On the top, it's a USB-A coming out and a USB-C coming out. And it looks like it has a little spot for a lanyard. But I did not have a lanyard, but I guess you could add one if you wanted to. And the total max output of this thing is a little over 22 watts of output. So let me go ahead, and I love it that you can turn it on and see how much it's doing right there. Actually, let me just grab my cell phone here. So I've got the iPhone 13 Pro, and let's just see how it works with this. Plugging it in. Well, as soon as I do, oh, this is what's awesome with it. When I plug it in, it's telling me how many volts. It's pulling 9 volts. See, the iPhone will pull whatever amount it needs. Wow, look at that. 9.2 volts and 2 amps. I love that. Now, let's go ahead. These are my little battery pack for my camera. Let's go ahead and plug these in. You can dual charge with this. So it's charging that, and it's charging this at the same time. 3 amps. It looks like it's still pulling 5 volts. It's actually charging both. You know what? And let's just go ahead, plug this up. So I've got my little Uma Digi tablet here. It's already about to go dead. Let's try it on that. Well, it just started charging it. It just started charging the tablet. So that's nice. How much is it putting out now? It's actually charging all of this stuff at once. That is very impressive, everybody. And it looks like it's only going to take what it needs. This is something I'm definitely going to be carrying with me throughout my travels there. Just pulling it out right there. You could see I love the actual output right here and how this cord goes down like that. And this whole thing weighs right at about a pound. When you fill of it, it's about a pound of weight on there. So this will go easily down in like a bag. You can put it in your pocket or anything like that. Or just like I'm going to do is I'm going to have it in my car at all times. And then when I jump out and I'm in somewhere and I need to have a power bank, I've got one with me. So yeah, that's all I got, everybody, on the Marasone 25,000 milliamp power bank, portable power bank. See y'all in the next video.